There was another video that Michael Greger did several years ago talking about when the study was published in 2013. I mentioned it yesterday, I think. That said, if you overconsume protein, you age and die faster. Okay? If you overconsume protein, you age and die faster. Now, of all the things that people eat, what do you think contains the most protein per calorie? Meat? No.
Leafy greens.
Greens, leafy greens. Dark green leaves are 50% protein. Meat's not that high. Sometimes more than 50%. Now, Michael Greger said it would be impossible for a vegan to overconsume protein unless he was doing what? Juicing greens, living on green smoothies. Oh, they're healthier than eating food, people seem to think. No, they're not. They never are. They never will be. Okay? You can overdo it easily. By the way, it's also possible if you eat a lot of soy products, right? If you eat a lot of fake meat products. More and more of these things coming out all the time. Stay away from them. They are processed crap. Okay? Processed food isn't food. Food is stuff you can pick off of a plant. That's what our bodies were intended for. If it's made in a laboratory or in a factory, why would you eat that? Okay? No, what's crazy is, we've been talking about protein. I've already told you, right? Babies triple in size in 1 year drinking breast milk, which is an average 2% protein. We don't need more protein. We don't ever need to worry about protein. All you have to do is eat enough food for your body, fruit and leafy greens. You'll get all the protein you need. If you are juicing greens, you're over-consuming protein. And that's why you feel good, because excess protein acts as a stimulant in your body. Why? Because your body wants to get rid of it. And so it speeds up your system to eliminate. Okay? We do not need to do this.